Topic 3. My best friend. My best friend is a very special person in my life. His name is Dara, and he is kind, friendly, and helpful. We study in the same class at school, and we spend a lot of time together every day. He always smiles and makes me feel happy. I enjoy talking to him because he understands me well. At school, we sit together and help each other with our lessons. When I do not understand something, he explains it to me clearly. I also help him when he has problems. We like studying English and practicing speaking together. After school, we sometimes play games or walk home together. These moments make our friendship stronger. My best friend is also very honest and respectful. He is never rude and always treats others kindly. When I feel sad or worried, he listens to me and gives me good advice. I feel comfortable sharing my feelings with him. On weekends, we sometimes meet and spend time together. We watch movies, play sports, or just talk about our dreams. We both want to study hard and have a good future. He always encourages me to do my best. I am very lucky to have such a good best friend. I believe that true friendship is very important in life. I will always care about him and keep our friendship strong.